This week will be quadratic equations, factorization, completing the square, graph method, and quadratic formula. So we are going to talk about factorization method. We want to solve these two equations. So please, I will show you some technique that it's common. So we have x squared plus x minus 56, and this is equals to 0. We want to find the values of x that satisfies this equation. But take note, because the power of x is 2, there will be 2 solutions. The power of x is 3, there will be 3 solutions, and so on. So we have x squared minus plus x minus 56 equals 0. Now, there is an invisible one here. I'll multiply this one by this minus 56. And if I do the multiplication, I will have minus 56. So now I'm going to look for two numbers. When I add them, if I add them, I will have plus 1x, that is just plus 1 here. Yeah. And if I multiply the two numbers, I will have minus 56. So the two numbers are 7 and 8. We have to be sure of the type of 7 and 8. Now, 7 times 8, of course, is 56. I'm not talking about the minus yet. But how do I add these two numbers to have a plus here, a plus 1 here? So the two signs will be minus 7 and plus 8. Minus 7 times 8 will give you minus 56. Minus 7 plus 8 will give you plus 1. So I'm going to group them and have x squared minus 7x plus 8x minus 56 equals 0. So I'll group this together, group this together. Now x is common. So I'll have my x and then x minus 7 plus here 8 is common. So 8 divided 8 once, so I'll have my x. 8 divided 56 will give you 7, and that equals to 0. So if you look at this, you have that minus 7x plus 8x give us just plus x, and minus 7 times plus 8 give us minus 56. So I have x and these two results to be equal. So I'll have x minus 7 and then this x plus this 8 both will be equal to 0. And you know that in your quadratic equation, if a times b is 0, their product is either a is 0 or b is 0. So if I multiply these two to give me 0, either x minus 7 is 0 or x plus 8 is equal to 0. So of course I can take my like terms. So this will be x will be 0 plus 7 when negative crosses, or x will be 0 minus 8. So my x will be 7 or my x will be equal to minus 8. So x has two values that satisfy this equation. So the values of x is equal to minus 8 or 7. These are the two values of x that satisfy this equation. And so I can use this to get back my equation. Okay, so let's go to this one that says 5x squared plus 18x minus 8 to give us 0. The same thing I did. I multiplied the invisible one here by minus 56, and it gave us minus 56. Now, I'm going to multiply 5 by minus 8, and that will give me minus 40. So I'll look for two numbers. If I add the two numbers, I will have plus 18. But if I multiply the two numbers, I will have minus 40. So what are the two numbers? Now, ordinarily, 5 and 8 multiplied together can give me minus 5. Well, let me just take away the minus. 5 multiplied 8 can give me 40. But there is no way I will add 5 and 8 to get 18. We have another factor. We have 4 and 10. If I multiply 4 and 10, I will have 40. But there is no way I can add 4 and 10 to give me plus 18. We have 2 and 20. Mind you, when it comes to factorization, all the factors you're working on are things you guess, trial and error method. Okay, so now I have 2 and 20. If I multiply the 2, I will have 40. But there is a way I will add 2 and 20, I will have plus 18. And that 2 and 20 will be minus 2 and plus 20. So if I add it now, I'm going to have 5x squared minus 2x plus 20x minus 8 give me 20. Minus 2 times plus 20, I'll have minus 40. And minus 2 plus 20, I'll have plus 18. Okay, so I'll group them together. This will take this will take this. So what is common here is x. Then I'll have 5x minus 2. What is common between 20 and 8 is 4. That's the common factor. So 4 go 20 will give me 5x. 4 go 8 will give me 2. So that will be 0. So these two are the same. So 5x minus 2. Then x and plus 4 will be taken together. So x plus 4 give me 0. So is that 5x minus 2 is equals to 0? 5x minus 2 equals 0, or x plus 4 is equals to 0. So I'll pick one of them. So 5x, this will cross over to become 0 plus 2, and then x, this will be 0 minus 4. So my 5x is equals to 2, or my x is equals to minus 4. But here we are going to want to get the value of x, not 5x. Okay, so I divide both sides by 5. So my x will be equals to 2 over 5, and my x will be equals to minus 4. Therefore, x has two values. Satisfy this equation, and the two values are that the values of x are either minus 4 or 2 over 5. You substitute any of these values here, you have 0. So these are the factors that satisfy the equation. So this is one of the ways of solving quadratic equation using factorization method. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our Facebook page and TikTok account.